Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Coca-Cola is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Precise ratios of purified water, sugar syrup, and our secret concentrate are blended here, ensuring the iconic taste of Coca-Cola.
Pressure's spiking in Sector Gamma. We need to reroute the coolant immediately.
Rerouting now. Confirming command.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made, from start to finish.